In this video, I will show you how to use OpusClip to grow your YouTube Shorts. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Upload your video to OpusClip. You can either upload it from your computer or hard drive, or you can simply add a YouTube link. Then select Get Clips. Once your video has finished uploading and processing, you will see all your YouTube Shorts appear based on the order of rating. As you can see, my first video has a 99 rating or viral score, and then that score gradually goes down. Ideally, you want to go for the clips that have a higher viral score. You can then add bold captions, add sound effects, music, or emojis. To add an emoji, simply go to the transcript, double-click the word, and then you can add an emoji to it. Once you are happy with everything, go and export your video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.